Create a new form and make edits. Add a drop-down box to select company. Select field style as SQL query after you edit the name fields. Create the SQL query from the XP company name table that you have prepared. Add a drop-down box to select contact name. After editing the name fields, switch the field style to SQL query and create the required query from the XP contact registry table. When you select company, there is no filtering in the contact name field. To fix this, include the company field to be filtered into the query. Select equal from the filter operations for the company field and select $P company for the company selected on the form from the filter field. In the drop-down box, there should be two fields in the select section. The one is ID value and the other is the name. The third field is needed for the filter. That's why you don't delete the row. Make the checkbox is not checked from the visibility tab. To select the start and end time, add the date time tool and make edits. Add a text box to write the notes. Since this text box can receive multiple lines of data, increase height and select multiple lines from the properties. Contact name will be empty since no updates are made after selecting company. To fix this, you should assign two actions to the company field. When the value changes, the content should be cleared. Select the field to be cleared from the value area section. When the value changes, the value should be updated. Select the field to be updated from the value area section. Do not write queries to this action because it has a query in its contact name area. Save the form and run your app to see changes. Let's define another company and contact person for better testing. Have fun!